Hi guys, this is Brian here. In this video series, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your files to your server. So what I did is I created this website, and it's based on the health niche. So the first thing you want to do, like for example, if you have the templates, like you have your HTML files, or maybe you received them from someone, it's not you who edited them. What you'd want to do first before you start changing or updating them, you need to make a copy. So just right click and copy, and then you paste. So you want to make sure that you have your files or your HTML files in one file, right? So that when you are uploading and working with them, you're working them from one file. I'll show you just now why it's important. Now, when it comes to editing the site, you would need an HTML editor. There are some that are free and some you can buy. I'm going to be showing you using a free HTML editor known as Composer. This is a free software. So I'm now in Composer, and this is the website for my health niche. So you will see here it's quite easy to use this software, because what you just simply do, if you want to change something, like you want to change this contact us, you just click on it, and if you just want to leave it as contact, you can do so. So when making a web page, it's basically just about building tables, having tables. So these are red lines that you see, mustn't confuse you. These are just tables that I use to actually line up my website, right? And if you want to change the picture, if you come here and you double click on the picture, you will see this pops up. So here you will see you can have the option of changing the picture if you click the small file here. And if you have, obviously, the images you want to work with are images from that file that I showed you. That is the one file. So if you open and you choose whatever image that you choose, what you would want to do is you make sure this is ticked, right? So that when you upload this file, it is relative to this page, right? So you don't have broken pictures that are showing up in the browser. Okay, so you can play around with it. This is the source code. Now, if you don't have much, you don't know much about this, about HTML and all, you can edit your page using just simply what you are seeing there. So it's like how you use Word, for example. So like, let's say I want to change this text. I just click on it, right? And I type in what I want there. But I just have to make sure that I don't remove all the text. Otherwise, it's going to lose the kind of style that is used in that particular table. So what I'll do is I just put a few of my text there, and then this gives you more energy and requires not much input from You can put in whatever you want there. So you can see it didn't change the format there, right? And one other thing also, you see you can sort of like extend the box for your text, and or you can increase by dragging like that. So you can come play around, and remember, like, you have made a copy already, so even if you make a mistake, you can always restart, right? So you can have fun playing around with this. And then one thing I also want to show you is with this script form. So what I did is I uploaded this website. Okay, here's the website. This is how it looks like on the web, right, in a browser. So this is an example of a Flash website. So this is the pictures here, and what I just want to show you is the contact us page. So here the person can come, put their name, Brian, subject, maybe he wants to know price of veggies, whatever it is there, he puts in there, right? And then he puts his message there. So when he submits, this comes to your inbox, right? So what you just simply have to do in order to have this up and running, if you come in Composer and you open our, so we want to open our contacts page. Okay, it's actually this page. So this is our contacts page. What you simply do is you go to the source code and you move up and you search for here. Can you see where it says action mail to? What you just want to change there is this part here where it says mail to, and you put your email address. That's it. That's the only thing you change, and nothing else. And you save. Right? Now, when that is done and you're satisfied with everything else, one other thing I think I can show you is, you see this website, what I did was, I have been in the affiliate marketing industry, so I know how to set up a website in terms of, you know, if you want to make money with it in terms of selling affiliate products or your own products, right? So like you see here, if a person sees this topics like top 10 weight loss products, right? And it says read more, this is actually a link that can take him to maybe an affiliate offer that you have, right, on any of these pages. So obviously this is a product that maybe you would find in this page, right? Weight loss. So if you come to your weight loss page, what you can actually do here is, in your weight loss page, this is your weight loss page. You explain these top 10 weight loss products. Right. Now remember, I said even if the words like go down, you can always like shift things around. Like these things can be moved. These things can be moved, right? If you hold here, you can move this, right? So you can move them around and position them the way you want, right? All this stuff, you can move them, right? Can move them. All this stuff are pieces to the web, right? You can increase them, right, in order to maintain the style, right? So nothing is fixed here, okay? Right. Now, when you are happy that the information, you have put enough information for these people to read, and what you need to just do is this read more that I was talking about, right? if you come to the source code, or in fact, if you are in here, okay, let's go to the source code. If you go to the source code and you look for it, where it says read more, right? You see, this is it, right? So what you just want to do here is you just want to come into href here. So let's say on read more, you wanted to take the person to your affiliate product. That is talking about top 10 weight loss products, right? Or the best weight loss product, whatever the case is. You come in here and you just put http / and your affiliate link, right? If that is too complicated for you, you just come here and you highlight this and you come to this link and you put your link here. Remember, this must open in, if you want it like to open in a new window, you click this so that it opens in a new window so that the person can still browse on your website. Okay, now that being said, I think that's it. Now everything else here is sorted. The links are working fine. So what is left for you to just do, let me just show you the website in a browser again. So you can see all these links are working already. They are connected. So here we have, you can have a little video at the bottom there, right? So this is a video on weight loss, right? Okay, video on weight loss there. Now, just remember also one other thing, these pictures, you need to use pictures that are royalty-free pictures. If you just go to Google, you type in royalty-free pictures, you get lots of them, right? And then, that being said, let's get back here. So yeah, remember these are just tables, so you can click on any of the table, double click to get more, or right click on it and you can edit it further, right? So the next thing I want to show you is, maybe you see this header right here, maybe you want to put some text on it. So this is actually an image, so you would need an image editor to put text on it. So what you simply do is you come, there is an image editor called GIMP. It's a free image editor. So unlike the Adobe products which you buy, this one is free and it does similar functions just like Adobe. So what I would do is I would come to my images here and I look for the, so this is it, flower, right? And I drop it in here. Okay, so here's my image here and I want to add some text. Maybe you want to put your logo, whatever it is that you want to add to it. So I put my text here. Caps locks. This is, okay, let me say health and beauty, right? And increase the size a little bit. Can change the text. Okay, let me come here, change the font here. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna pick any. Okay, so you can choose your own. I think let me reduce, and you can also move it around, right? So let me reduce here, I think. Okay, so there we have it, health and beauty. So you can like do lots of stuff here. If you right click here, or if you come to like filters, so you just have to remember that the thing you have selected is the text, right? And this is the, so if you make any changes, you're making changes to this part. So you want to make changes to the text. I have some effects. You can put some effects. Maybe let's put some fuzzy border around the text, right? Right, and let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. Oh, it actually did that to the whole image. So you can play around, and then when you are saving, you just remember that when you are saving this, you just remember that you save as it is to the same location. So here you just have to say export, and you just save to that same location, same this thing here, and it's the one that you're editing here in your composer, and you export, and make sure it's also JPEG, right? Now after that, you are set and ready, and you save this thing here. And one last thing, the video. So maybe you want to put your own video. It can be a marketing video. So what you need to do is you come to this where you have your file that you're editing. Remember, it has to be your file, not the copy, the one that you're editing. So if you open in images, this is where the video is saved. So what you do is, when you're changing the pictures, right, your pictures one must have the same dimensions as these pictures, okay, which is 279 times 326. And if you're replacing this picture, it must have the same name like this one, equipment, comma 2, right? And same thing, the video, you make sure the name is the same, caps, space, everything must be the same, so that you just clone this, okay, and you have your website set. Okay, now when you're done with that, what you do, so here remember, you just come and you make sure that your video that you put here as the title, natural weight loss, that works with an exclamation mark exactly as it is. Otherwise you will have a broken picture. Right, when that is done, the next thing that we need to do is we need now to upload our files. Now, if let's say for example the website is new, there are no other pages there, and you only want it to work with this site, what you need to do is you just need to upload all these files. Just upload them as they are, like this, right? So that this index HTML just goes, okay, let me open my FTP file loader. So you need an FTP in order for you to upload your files. So like for example, you put in your host there, you enter the address of the server, you get all this information from your web host. They give you your username, your password. That's it. Don't worry about the port. And then quick connect. You connect. And then this side is showing your files. This side. And this side will be showing where you are uploading your files to. So let me just quickly look for that file. So that file is okay. So here's my file, health copy. If I had other files on my website, I would upload it as this, and then what I would just do is when I come to the website, to the web here, I just type in the location. So it will be like, for example, my web, right? myweb.com / and then that file, you will see that this file is written health site, okay? And whatever you save it, so this one is written health site like that, copy, you write it exactly as it is, right? So I write health site dash copy dash copy, right, / and then the file I want to open would be the index file, right? So I just say now index.html, and then that file would show up. If it doesn't show up, it means you are typing in the wrong address here. Okay, now, so let's go back to uploading the files. So again, if you have other files that you have on your server, but if your server is just specifically for this site and this is going to be your main page, what you just need to do is to upload them individually like that, so that when you upload it to your public domain, okay, you upload it to your public domain. It's just unfortunate that I'm not connected here to my server, but when you put your name here, you will be connected to your server, and you can have like a tree like this one of files that are on your server, and you just make sure that you are in your public domain. Yeah, it has to be like here you see it's my users, right? Yeah, it has to be your public domain, right? Now, and if it's public here and / and then you upload to that, if you do that, there's no need for you to type in all this. You just type in myweb.com, whatever your domain name is, because you have to have a domain name, and you can buy your domain name from GoDaddy, Namecheap, for something as little as $10 for the whole year. And I will also give you some resources to get web hosting if you don't have web hosting, good web hosting companies, which you can pay something like $10 for a month, you know, if you're still starting out and you are on a string budget, right? And you have, so yeah, because you have the indexed HTML file here, you just type in your domain name and this will pop up. Okay, so just make sure you don't have to upload other index HTML. If you want to upload other files, you upload them, and you make sure that so if you want to upload a file, like here, you just you see here, you just say upload. I cannot upload it because I'm not connected. So if you just right click on it, you upload. Okay, now so just remember, if you're gonna be adding more files, just make sure you don't put index HTML files in the public domain. You just need to put one index HTML files in the public domain. If you want to host more files, you put them in folders, so that you just type in the folder address here of whatever the index HTML file is found in. So yes guys, that's how you upload your files to your web hosts. Right. Now if you have any questions, if you face any problems, don't hesitate to get in touch. Connect with me on my Facebook page, like my page, visit my YouTube channel. I have more tutorials there to help you guys out. If you have problems, there are a lot of tutorials there on how to upload files on a server for free on YouTube. So yeah, I hope I didn't leave anything out. So yeah, this is the site, weight loss site for weight and beauty, ab workout. Yeah, and if you need your own site like this, like I said, get in touch with me on my Facebook page, and yeah, post on my wall, send me a message, and I will get back to you. So thanks for listening to me, and hope to see you in the next video.